Through the help and dedication of the teachers of the University Laboratory School, with the help of the senior chairperson, Instructor Samra Ahmad Salih, and Dr. Nasser Telendo, our third president, these students candidate for completion for the junior high school program have satisfactorily completed the requirements as required by the Department of Education and the Cotabato State University. May I present to you therefore, for confirmation, the candidates, 58 males, and 80 females, with a total of 138 candidates for completion.
Thank you very much, Honorable Dean Alfonso Manay of the University Laboratory School, and as University President, Vice Chairman of the Cotabato State University Board of Regents, I hereby confirm the 58 male completers and 80 female completers, with a total of 138 completers this school year 2024-2025 respectively as completers. Congratulations! You are now eligible for your senior high school. Thank you.
Congratulations, completers. You are now officially accepted as completers of batch 2024 and 2025. Thank you, Dean and Press. This time, let us welcome our University President, Professor Sema G. Dilna, as he gives us his inspirational message. A round of applause, please.
Thank you very much. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. My courtesies and greetings of peace to the Honorable Vice President for Research, Extension and Production, Dr. Teng A. Alim, a very active and dynamic Dean of the University Laboratory School, Dr. Alfonso Manay, our XRMO, Director, Dr. Ain Nasirin Abdul Ghani, distinguished guests, and alumni president, program heads, Dr. Nasser Telendo, Pam Samr Ahmad, faculty members, staff, proud parents, new officers, which some are parents today, as guardians of their children, our completers. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a pleasant day to each and every one. This fourth completion ceremony is another milestone, especially for our children, the completers of this batch 2025 at the University Laboratory School with the theme Batch 25 based in gratitude towards dreams in unifying the nation. This is in consonance with the Lao-Tzu's "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step." Remember that you are now finished another stage of your educational life, that is your junior high school, with the advent of the K-12 curriculum in the Philippines. Before, as junior high school completers, you are now graduates of the high school. And remember that this junior and senior high school is still considered as basic education, and I was telling from time to time that as foundation, this must be the strongest part of your educational endeavor or part of your education, as this would be the preparation for your tertiary education someday. This is another challenge for all of you, whether to proceed or to stop, to look for a job, or no longer continue with your senior high school. I, for myself, you have your great opportunity, but I believe that you are thinking that Cotabato State University will have no longer senior high school next school year. But that is another challenge for the administration as well as the parents. We really need your support to the Board of Regents that this coming board meeting, the senior high school will be continued offering in our university laboratory school, inshallah. This is not a promise, but this is a commitment that I am still confident that you can pursue for those who are still interested to continue with their senior high school in our university by the academic year 2025-2026. I am just waiting for the documents from the good Dean, Alfonso Manaay. And we need the support of the parents, those who are interested to have a petition to continue our university laboratory school, senior high school by 2025-2026 school year onwards, inshallah. I do believe that having the senior high school is another help to our parents, especially to our children who are still interested in buying for the trademark of our university's laboratory school. When we say laboratory, it is the training, education, basic education for our college of teacher education. That is the strongest justification that our graduates, our pre-service teachers do not only teach in the junior high school whenever they finish and they pass the licensure examination after their graduation. I believe that that would really justify the offerings of the senior high school. And that is why, for those who are interested, I am giving you a hope today, but I want your prayer and support. The document of the good Dean will be given to the board secretary and to my office as soon as possible so that we can convince the members of the board as well as the newly appointed chairman of the Board of Regents of the Cotabato State University. With your gesture today, I believe that many of you, if not all, are still interested to pursue their senior high school, including those outsiders who are asking if we have still our senior high school by next school year. I cannot answer that, but we are doing our best to have it so that our students, our pre-service teachers could have it by next academic school year, inshallah. My dear completers, wherever you study, it is the same. Schools do not have great difference. Great difference emanates from yourselves and the support of the parents. It doesn't mean that you will graduate in a private institution, in a popular institution, that you are many steps ahead of those who have studied in the public schools. Big no. It depends upon the commitment of a student on how he or she will pursue the pace of achieving his dreams and goals. And in our team, you are always the hope of our fatherland. As future leaders, as our Chief Minister, Honorable Makako, have said, aging is uncontrollable. What is good is to have successors. And who are they? You as completers. You are the hope and the next leaders of our communities. Maybe one or two of you here are future mayor of Cotabato City. Maybe 1, 2, or 5 of you here are future parliaments of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao and some other key positions in the future. But that lies perhaps your emotions as well as your values on how you manage yourself to become a future ready leader of our communities. And we cannot also negate the support of our parents from elementary, even from our infancy to adulthood. We cannot deny the fact that we always need the support of our parents. And that is why they are here today. Pwede ba kayong magtayo at bigyan natin ng 3 bagsak inyong mga parents, completers? Please stand up and turn back, face your parents. Bigyan natin ng 3 masayang palakpak ang ating mga parents. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. You may now sit. With that, I am reminding you that wherever you go, from your infancy to adulthood, never forget our parents, because they are second the Almighty. Wala tayo dito pag wala sila. We cannot meet, we cannot achieve all our ambitions without the support of our parents. Wala tayong ibang sandalan, di ang ating mga mahal na parents. Kahit anong yaman natin, anong posisyon, kung wala sila, di natin makamit, di natin maabot yun. Kaya po kayo, aming mga anak, huwag nating kalimutan, huwag nating masamain minsan, mataas ang boses ng ating mga parents, dahil yan po ay para sa ating kinabukasan. Pati na rin po ang ating mga teachers, lalong-lalo ng ating dekano. Kasi sinasabi kong kung may 7-11, na tindahan. Itong ating Dean ay also 7-Eleven sa Cotabato State University. Pwede ba nating binigyan ng tatlong palakpak ang ating Dean at ang ating mga faculty members? Tatayo po tayo ulit. Okay, 1, 2, 3 para sa ating 7-Eleven Dean at ang ating mga 24/7 faculty members. Thank you very much. Congratulations to all of you and to the proud parents. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much, Professor Gilda, for that truly uplifting message. Indeed, your support will go a long way. At this point, let us get